Hey guys, how you doing? I'm back. I hope you're doing fine. Let me adjust that little camera here. I hope you're good. I hope you're fine. I haven't done videos for a while, very long time. I was very focused on myself, working on my personal growth. So now I'm back. The way I live my life is only with my intuition. So now my intuition tells me that I feel like doing YouTube. Let me adjust this a little. Well, here we go. That's better. YouTube video. So in the last months, I was very focused on myself, on my personal growth, and I want to share with you what I learned. What I learned is it's very important. I'm going to speak for myself now, for myself in my life, to choose who I let in my life and who I show the exit to my life. To be freer, to be more happy, it's very important for myself to surround myself with only people who have good vibe and not toxic people. So I found out about that in the last months. I was already for a couple of years doing this, you know, choosing very carefully who I let in my life, and who I show the exit sign, the people who I show the exit sign in my life. But now more than ever, it's that's the way I live my life, because I put myself first. That's something I learned in my life. I used to not put myself first. I'm an empath, you know, so I was, you know, too nice, just, oh yeah, no problem, everything's good, everything is good. People pleaser, we call. When I was younger, I was like that because I was very sensitive. But I learned to put myself first. And when you put yourself first, you respect yourself. And when you respect yourself, you feel good. Because when we don't respect ourselves, we don't feel good inside of ourselves. Even if we try to tell ourselves that everything's all right, the emotion sits there and it doesn't feel good. So that's what I learned in the last months. How to be very precise with the people around me, and if you know, sometimes they could be in my life for a couple months, everything's good, but I found out that they're toxic people and they're out. That's the way I handle my life, and I handle my life the way I want. So it's important for me to express myself, and I learned to do that. I learned to express myself and say no, because it was very hard for me when I was younger to say no. People pleaser, oh, no problem, no problem. But now when it's no, it's no. And it feels good to be able to say, okay, let me put my foot down here. No, no means no. So that's what I could share with you. Toxic, when we have toxic people close to us, it's gonna affect us. Even if we don't see it right away, it's gonna rub off on us. The toxic things are gonna rub off on us. And it takes energy. When we have toxic people around us, it drains our energy. So what else would I like to talk to you about tonight? Yeah, I'm gonna do more videos. I'm feeling it. That's the way I live my life. I live my life in hearing and listening to my intuition. My intuition is calling me to do videos right now. I don't even know about what I'm gonna do videos, but I will do the videos, like I was doing a lot of videos before. So I hope you guys are good. I'm still rising my vibration on that channel. I talk a lot about rising the vibration. And when we rise our vibration and we have toxic people around us, we rise our vibration and the toxic people pulls us in another way. So that's important to let them go. And how do we let go those people? Is by loving ourselves. If we love ourselves enough, we could take the decision and say, okay, this kind of friend is too toxic. I love myself more. Let's show this guy the exit. Let's show this guy the exit. I did that with a longtime friend. Very toxic. Longtime friends. I had this friend for a long time. And one day I said, okay, that's enough. That's enough. Enough energy in that relationship. Let's end this relationship. And I choose the rule in my life. That's what's beautiful in all our lives. We choose the way we live. The rules, we make the rules for ourselves in our life. So I hope you're good, guys. I'll see you later, and take care. And I'll probably do another video. I don't know. I live in the moment, the present, but I'll do another one pretty soon. Take care. Bye-bye.